Thank you, Julius, for that amazing uh, incoming into this webinar. Um, I was asked to share my experience with a product I love very much. As a singer, my health is very important. My voice is very important. So my health is very dependent on how I function in the day, in my profession. Now, this product, Alphameta, is really helping me to do that. Micaela Domingo already said a lot about the Alphameta, what it does, but I wanted to share my own experience and give some more information about why this product is so important. Now, Alphameta is really food for our cells. Now, our body is made up of trillions of cells. And the more healthy the cells are, the more healthy you are. So Alphameta is really improves the metabolic dysfunctions, such as diabetic. Maybe you know someone who has diabetes, and some other health issues we see in people's lives today. Now, Alphameta is really helping people feel stronger and have them recover faster from these health problems. Now, Alphameta can also help the overall health condition. It repairs and rebuilds the mucosal lining of the lungs. That is really important now with this COVID-19. It can provide the bioavailable amino acids the body needs, not only to help the liver produce all the antioxidants, such as glutathione, but it needs also the free radicals and eliminate toxins, and also provide the amino acids, which is essential for the respiratory lung functions. The lung function is really important. Again, this product, Alphameta, is supporting the lung functions that helps you to stay more healthy. But it also is reducing the inflammation in the body by modulating the immune system. So we are talking really a lot about the immune system. We have the elderly people that often have a weakened immune system. And that's why I advise for these people to use Alphameta to strengthen the immune system so that they can fight against the viruses and the bad bacteria that is attacking them. And I'm in the opera world really a long time, and I've met a lot of products. I've been offered a lot of products also for some health things that I was undergoing, but nothing even come close to this, what this product does. So this is really worldwide. Trying. If you not yet tried this product, just get it. Now, what I want to say, a personal story. I had my best friend, at the age of 93, ended up in the hospital of a stroke. Now, the doctor said that she will not recover anymore because of her age. And most people who are suffering from a stroke at that age, already at the age of 50, they will probably not recover from that. So I was asking for permission to give her Alphameta and paste the negative ion that is in our Angel Secret panty liners on her body. So I did that, and at a certain time, she started to wake up again. And she started to walk again, which was, according to the doctors, impossible because nobody is walking at that age after a stroke. Unfortunately, she got more strokes after that, but I kept administering the Alphameta and kept pasting the negative ion strips up to 4, 5, 6, whatever she needed to get a stronger immune system, to get more energy in the body. And after the second and the third, she, at 93, she got out of her bed said, I want to go to physiotherapy. I want to walk. And she was walking again. Now, this really, for me, proves these two products together have a very powerful work on the body. So if you are interested starting a business like we are offering today here, what is the most important thing to ask yourself to start? The most important question is, what can I give to others? And don't ask yourself the question, what are the benefits for me? How do I get better from it myself? It is really giving. When you start giving people life-changing products, also a little bit about what is happening now in this time where most of the people are losing their jobs because companies can just not hold on to people. If we are going to the end of the year, there will be a lot of people out of a job, no money, and probably if they are at the age of 40, have no chance to get back into society whatsoever. So investing in this business with products like Angel Secret and Alphameta, which is very affordable for everyone, is the way to secure you and your family for not ending up there in that place where you will end up maybe with nothing, because it is a scary moment now. The only thing that is not touched is a business like This World, because This World is a company built by people who are sharing a product, people who are sharing their mutual interest. We are earning together. The more people come into the business because they give to others the products, because it makes people's lives healthier, the more money is generated, the more money is coming into your life, the more money is coming into all these other people's lives. So if you are thinking, how can I contribute to a better world? Start giving and stop asking yourself, yes, but I have to purchase a product or I have to give something. I not want to talk about the Bible, but you know, in that book, everybody probably read, said very clearly, give and thou shalt receive. So we can never receive first and then say, well, maybe I give later. So with this product, Micaela Domingo presented, and with the marketing plan that is just mind-blowing, 10 ways of earning. I mean, you cannot go wrong because there is no investment. You're using the product yourself. I buy a jar of Alphameta for myself because I want to feel healthy. So I'm investing in myself, in my health. So maybe you want to purchase 1 box of Angel Secret and sell that to your family or friends or whatever. I mean, 1 box a month you can share with people. You know, it gives happiness. And all this income is coming in from all the people who are joining from all over the world. Most of them you don't even know. Most of the people I don't even know. They are just there. So there is absolutely no risk. So think about it. Where are you going to the end of the year? Can you still provide something for your family? Or are you going to help people with these amazing products? Listening to Micaela Domingo, this amazing marketing plan, free vacation points, you even get a free vacation for doing the good. I mean, this is such a good business. This is such a good business. And I see Micaela smiling. I see Julia smiling. I see everybody on the camera here smiling. So all these people who are in the business, use the products, they know that I'm speaking the truth. It's just a matter of time. When you start, it's just a matter of time that the network starts to build. You do it with love. Love is coming back. And money always follows the desire you are putting into the business or putting into other people's lives. So I don't want to take the whole time. from this webinar, so I will now close my mouth. But I really hope you really think about that and start using the product. Stop sharing just share the product and just build your business. And say to your family, I'm doing something great that all of you are going to benefit from at the end of the year, or maybe longer. Or maybe you have a very different Christmas because you have more money available and you can give money to your church, you can give money to your other family who maybe not have so much. You can do so many good things when you just start doing. So sign up with the person who invited you. Don't procrastinate, because procrastination is a killer. Do it. Do what you've never done before and you will be rewarded. Thank you so much.